Okay, class, we're at 11:41. I'm going to do a couple of example problems with you, and then get you guys started on your own. Let's start backwards at 30 today. It says a distance of 2 feet is about the same distance as 61 centimeters. What whole number of centimeters is a reasonable estimate of the number of centimeters in 1 foot? So 2 feet equals 60. So if we want to find 1 foot, we got to cut that in half. So we're going to take 61 divided by 2. What number close to 61 is divisible by 2? Obviously, we're just going to round that thing to 60. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. Second step, multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, and you get 0. Bring down your 0. 2 goes into 0. 0 times. Reasonable estimate would be 1 foot is about 30 centimeters. Alright, going backwards. What's 1/4 of 100 compared to 100 divided by 4? So let's set that one up. 1/4 of 100. Now remember, when we take a fourth of 100, we're actually going to take 100 and divide it by 4. And on the other side, we have 100 divided by 4. Now, do we really need to figure this out? If this is 100 divided by 4 and this is 100 divided by 4, we can say that it is equal to. Okay? You don't even need to figure that one out. You already know that it's the same. Whatever the answer is going to be, it's going to be the same. Okay, 28. Which of these angles appears to be a 90-degree angle? I don't remember what 90. I think I do, but I'm going to go look it up. Lesson 31. And this is how we look things up if we're not sure about them. Here are the lines. Here comes the angles. Okay, a right angle simply means it's a square corner. Sometimes we draw a small obtuse. An angle's open is less than a right angle is acute. An angle is obtuse. Angles are straight. Didn't give me any degrees on any of those. So it must be a right angle. Okay, so it looks like it's B. Number 27. It says draw 2 circles of the same size, shade 1/2 of a circle and 2/3 of the other, then compare the fractions. I got more friends here that I need to share with, but I have more pizza. So we better draw these to figure out which one's which. 1/2 compared to 2/3. And this one we try to make the peace sign. Wow. 1/2 is bigger than 1/3, but we have 2/3. So if you're going to divide this one in half, look, you got all the half on this side and this little extra part there. So 2/3 is greater than 1/2. And you can actually read it like this. 1/2 is less than 2/3. Number 26. 4 friends enter a 9-mile relay race. Each person ran 1/4 of the distance. How many miles? 1/4 of 9 miles. Now this one isn't where you're going to have a remainder. Oh, I ran some, and you ran some, and we have a mile left. That wouldn't make any sense. So we're going to take 9 and we're going to divide it by 4. How many times is 4 go to 9? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, you get 1. 2, remainder 1. No. Put the 1 up on top as your numerator and put the 4 underneath. Each person ran 2 1/4 miles. You cannot have a remainder in a race. Wouldn't that be kind of silly? Yeah, we got 1 mile left over. We're not going to run it. 2 1/4 miles. Number 25. Xavier is learning to play the piano. Yesterday, he began practice at 5:36 in the morning and finished 30 minutes later. What time did he finish playing the piano? Now, hopefully, you're starting to see Mr. Saxon's trying to trick you, right? How many minutes in an hour? 60. Anytime that we go over 60, we have to regroup. 6 plus 0 is 6, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and 5. 5:66 p.m. Cross the 60, subtract 60. 66 minus 60 is 6, and we're going to take that 60, we're going to regroup it to 1 hour. Time to get done, 6:06 p.m. And the last one I'm going to help you with, then you're on your own, is number 24. It says 1/5 of 30 students in class were left-handed. How many students were left-handed? 1/5 of 30. Remember, of means multiply, so this is multiply. Remember, of means multiply. When you multiply a fraction, you divide by the bottom number, multiply by the top. So this is just a division problem. 30 divided by 5. 6 what? 6 students. Alright guys, I'll be available in our Zoom call to give you some more help if you need some. Otherwise, God bless your day.